Decided 2020 is going to be your year. It's going to be the year you get started with your YouTube channel and you get started on your journey into content creation. You look at all the YouTube videos you watch, all your favorite content creators, and you look at what they have and what you don't have. You look at them having all of the lights, the nice studio setups. You look at them having the nice Go XLRs. You look at them having the nice Stream Decks. You look at all the background looks perfectly nice. I mean, you're looking at all the stuff they have and thinking, maybe I should wait a little bit until I get some of that stuff. I'm about to offer you a different opinion. You don't need all that stuff that established content creators have. I'm about to give you something that's probably going to get a lot of hate. A lot of people saying, no, you need it all. You need everything you can get. But you don't need anything but a camera or your phone and a microphone to start your journey on content creation. The reason why is because a journey is about the path you make, what you do, all the decisions you make during the journey to make your channel better, to make your content better, to make your videos better. You shouldn't just start with the best software, start with the best microphone, start with the best camera, start with the best studio lights, start with the best background, because then it's not a journey. You're already where you're going to end up. And content creation is a journey. Now, the reason I'm making this video today is because I'm going to start a new series. And that series is going to be starting at the very beginning of content creation, the very beginning of starting your YouTube channel. It's going to start out, I'm going to show you how to start out when you have nothing but a camera and a microphone or nothing but just your cell phone. And then we're going to lead you through all the steps, all the stages to becoming an established content creator. And I'm going to help you avoid the pitfalls that I made when becoming a content creator. Just remember, everybody started with 0 subscribers and 0 viewers, or 0 views on YouTube. Everybody started with 0. Everybody started from the same spot that you're starting at. So if you're ready to become a YouTuber and you're ready to start your content creation, then go ahead and subscribe to this video. Now get started. I'm just going to go ahead and let you know the schedule. We're going to release 1 to 2 videos a week, going over the very basics and working our way and progressively working our way up. So make sure you make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow the series, because each video is going to build on the last video. Because I want y'all to become the best content creators you can be. And then I want y'all to give me your input on how everything's going. I want to go along with y'all through your journey on becoming a content creator. Because as long as all of us succeed, then we're all going places. While we're going along on the journey on becoming a content creator, I want to make this a community, because I don't want just us to succeed. I want us to succeed, and then I want all of us to be able to teach the next people who are going to try to do it. Like people who start trying YouTube in 2021, 2022. I want us to build up a community that can help new content creators and get them on their path of becoming an established content creator. All right, guys, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started.